All right, here you go. You're using your official lab packet for the June now. Alicia, I'll catch you up. Let me give everyone else directions and then I'll help you out, okay?
Okay.
All right. So your official lab packet says official right up top. It was the first one that was handed out. Yeah. Oh, so here's what you're going to do. Oh, I still never had it pulled out. You guys know the place to pull it out. I'll show you what it looks like. It's the one that looks like this with all the lines up front. You guys have 10 more seconds to pull it out. Yeah, you may. Yes, you may. Can I go get the reminder? All right. Repeat as you're back. So what you're doing, you're turning to page 3. On page 3, there are 2 parts. There's part 3, which is writing a testable question. Remember, our testable question has to compare something. And part 4 is writing a hypothesis. So this is a brainstorm. So you guys have 5 minutes to think silently to yourselves and give a stab at writing a testable question and a hypothesis. And you should use the research you got yesterday on your independent variables. So one example is if you're the sunlight group, and yesterday in your research, you found out that plants need sunlight for photosynthesis. And if they get too much, they're going to wilt, their leaves are going to turn yellow. That makes sense. And if they don't get enough sunlight, they're going to be dwarfs, they're not going to grow it. Then your testable question would be, how does the amount of sunlight affect how tall my plant will be? And your hypothesis would be, if I give my plant a medium amount of sunlight, then it will grow taller than a plant with more or less sunlight, because that's the specific amount that my plant needs. Does that make sense? So you're using the research you got yesterday to try and come up with what you're going to test. Because our end goal today is to write a procedure and be able to start planting that in the class. Does anyone have questions before you start this? Yeah, Brittany, I'm going to give you a break in a minute. I'm not trying the first 5 minutes. No other questions? Sweet, all right, guys, you have 5 minutes. You should be on page 3 of your log packet, silent and individual. And Alicia, I'll set you up in 30 seconds. These are guys who fill you in on the research they did yesterday. But basically what they did, if you want to know, they researched these questions. And so today, based on what they found, they're going to help you come up with a hypothesis. And you're going to design a whole experiment to see how the amount of fertilizer will impact a tall plant. Cool. So for now, the order of writing a hypothesis, you can just repeat it. Yeah. So this is the research packet, this is like the official what you're using. Alright, as you guys are working on this, and I know it's tricky, but everyone should be trying writing something, I want to come around and check your carbon cycle homework. So make sure you have it up. right, guys, still silent. I've got 2 more minutes. I'm actually going to collect the carbon cycle over. Hydrogen, bricks, why are you talking? I'm hearing your physical voice, and I don't want to.
He just said he was to be at the whole thing.
I'll check in a little bit. And I'll just make sure it's done. I love this. All right, 1 more minute.